season, so many hearts are ripe. So many souls are longing for God. Thirsty, uhaw sa katotohanan, gutom sa katotohanan. And they are just waiting for you. Naantay ka na lang ng classmate mo. Inaantay ka na lang ng nanay mo, ng anak mo, ng tatay mo, ng kapitbahay mo, na sabihin sa kanila yung mabuting balita. They're just waiting on you. And they will receive God. We need to point them to Jesus. John 14:6. Jesus said, I am the way, the truth, and the life. No one comes to the Father except through me. Mga kapatid, there is only one way. There is only one truth. And there is only one life. And He's Jesus. Kailangan sabihin natin sa mundo na iisa lang ang daan. At all the other roads, they lead to death. Dami ngayon, papunta sila sa impyerno kasi hindi nila alam na yung nilalakaran pala nilang road, akala nila buhay yon, akala nila maganda yon, pero babagsak na pala sila sa impyerno. At sino magsasabi po sa kanila? Tayo po mga kapatid. So we should never be comfortable. We should never settle na tayo na lang yung nandito sa church. We need to get out and tell them the good news of Jesus Christ. We need to get out and tell them there is hope in Jesus. There is life, there is restoration, there is healing, there is power in the name of Jesus.